Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Sometimes you just need the right tool for the job. I want to show you this, which was perfect for a job that we had to do. This is the pneumatic fan clutch wrench set. This is from BETOOLL, and this is a really nice high quality toolkit if you are looking to replace a fan clutch in your car. So you want to make sure that this is compatible with your vehicle. This was great for changing out the fan clutch in my 2004 Land Rover Discovery 2. It worked really, really well. So removing the fan clutch is kind of a difficult process just because it is so hard to get to. So this tool makes it really, really easy. So what you get is a 17-inch extension rod that you use with an air hammer. You also get 7 different wrenches, and these are a variety of sizes from 7/8 inch to 2 inches. So after selecting the correct wrench size, we were able to attach it to the extension rod and then put that all onto the air hammer. And we're able to loosen the nut and get that fan clutch out really easily. So if you are looking for a way to replace your fan clutch, then you're going to want to have the right tool. This one is really nice because it is easy to use. It has a variety of sizes and it's really, really well built. So I would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.